Benefits of doing aerial yoga. Forget all tricks and gimmicks as aerial yoga works with gravity to relax your body, center the mind and uplift the spirit. Here are a number of aerial yoga benefits which you can experience and imbibe in an aerial yoga class. 1. Total body workout. Due to the aerial yoga movements, almost all the body parts are made to move and stretch. When it happens, toning of the muscles and strengthening of the joints happens during the workouts. Guess what? This type of workout is also used for physical rehabilitation. One of the main features includes decompression of the spine. 2. Reactivation of inner body. The sweat produced by you during aerial yoga is very beneficial for the regulatory functioning of your internal body via your circulatory, respiratory and digestive systems. This boosts your mental abilities, relaxes and regenerates your mind, and can you believe it also nourishes your skin? Hey, don't forget. It also strengthens memory and intelligence. Doesn't aerial fitness sound a bundle of health package to you? 3. Psychologically beneficial. Like any other workout of yours, aerial yoga helps in rebuilding your emotional system by relieving you from stress. It also helps you combat stress when you are out of home and your ecosystem, and in the big bad world outside. 4. Helps tackle back problems. Aerial yoga, as you know, gives you the chance to hang freely. In the process, it allows your spine to lengthen. With less strain on your back as you do the exercises, aerial yoga swing eases tension in the spinal cord and hip joints, thereby making you feel better. 5. Improves flexibility and strength. With so much fluidity and free movement that aerial yoga brings, you are bound to enjoy the benefits with less effort. You just have to counteract gravity. Suspension in the air releases tension on the bones and muscles. This increases flexibility in the body, spinal and shoulder flexibility in particular, and strengthens core muscles. 6. Ups your mood. When you are doing aerial yoga, it pumps your adrenaline as you go against gravity. This releases happy hormones e.g. serotonin, oxytocin, endorphins, dopamine, which boost your mood, thereby helping you feel more energetic. 7. Helps in digestion. For those of you suffering from indigestion and constipation, aerial yoga benefits are a virtual boon. The variety of stretches and movements that you do in aerial fitness improves your digestive system so that you can feel at comfort and relaxed. 8. Old age and heart disease. Doing aerial yoga swing not only improves blood circulation, it also helps combat symptoms of old age. The aerial yoga also detoxifies the circulatory and lymphatic systems. This lowers the coming of various cardiovascular issues. 9. Improves memory. Aerial yoga is a brain tonic, virtually. It fortifies your neural connections, thereby enhancing your memory power and memory functions. 10. Spiritually uplifting. Undeniably so. Yes, aerial yoga makes you experience more joy and optimism as it increases your creativity, leading you to develop your own artistic skills. Key points to remember while doing aerial yoga: wear loose and comfortable clothing which gives you the range of movement. It can be yoga pants and top. Do not go for extremely loose clothing as you need to prevent the extra fabric coming in the way of your aerial yoga moves. No footwear required. You have to be barefoot. Remember, you are doing aerial yoga, it will look stupid to have shoes on feet and doing aerial fitness. Before starting your aerial yoga class, take off your jewelry, whether it is necklace, bracelets, rings, or earrings. Be well hydrated before you start your aerial yoga class. Eat a light meal before the class begins. Getting nutrition will give you the energy needed by your body to work out safely. Maintain good personal hygiene. Wear a deodorant. There is always a person next to you using the hammock. Keep your finger and toe nails trimmed. There is no biting session here. An hour before the class, avoid eating any acidic foods or drinking acidic liquids. Before the class begins, do not use any hand lotion. Precautions before doing aerial yoga. Even though there could be many of you wanting to enroll for the aerial yoga swing, it is not recommended in the following situations. Pregnant women. The inversions involved in the aerial workout can be stressful for the pregnant ladies. Recent eye surgery. If the eyes have not fully healed after the eye surgery, then doing aerial yoga can bring more harm to the operated eyes. Vertigo patients, with the sudden change in movement as a result of aerial yoga, those suffering from vertigo can experience dizziness as an end result. So it is best to seek the advice of the doctor first. Also, do not do this kind of workout on your own, in order to avoid the possibility of any injury. So my dear, hope the benefits of aerial yoga shared above have widened your horizons to go beyond the traditional yoga methods. Yay or nay? Tell us so in the comment box below.